Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. By opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, hit send next to selected at the bottom of an Android. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up. And to continue, choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Samsung. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Samsung's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and hit Receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!